No stop bashing no country and uplifting no country. We don't know, say, on a family member do things out there. You don't hide it. Talk about it. Put it in the light. Because at the end of the day, you know, we create the problem. We create the monster them. We grow them. And most of the violence start from the home. Most of the violence start from the home, because if we don't behave properly in our house, because even growing up as a child, all me know was violence. I would have said more start violent. That any little thing, I want a big tick. There wasn't anything to resolve, and like your parents, back in the days, remember, we parents it fool, you know? We parents it fool, every little thing. You only see one big ticker come, and you say, that what me do? What me do? Yeah, yeah, the cup run over, remember? You can't do signal 3 months, and then later on your parents get up with the D-body of them, and start beat you, say the cup run over. Every little thing we used to get beaten for. Every little petty things. There was no resolving it. There was no talking about it. And then if you get up every day and do the same thing to your kids them or your grandkids are going to grow up with the mentality say violence is the answer to every solution. Sometimes we have to talk to, sometimes especially the teenager them, we have to talk to them. We have to sit down one-to-one with them and reason with them. Sometimes we have to hear them. Sometimes we have to listen to them, because most of us don't understand that we were teenagers. And put yourself in that child position. Become a child again. And talk to the kids them. Stop using big tick and violence. Stop barking at them, yelling at them, doing all manners. Then after we create the monster them, we complain. Say the government nah do this and the government nah do that and re.